After the rise in 1916, hundreds of men had been rounded up. They were over in Fongoff, some men from our own club here. Decided to form a new GAA club, and it was going to be called Erin. Now the colours were green, representing Ireland, and black to represent the patriots that were killed in 1916.
We've often said that green and black runs through your blood when you're from Finglas, and that's true with me and all the guys I played with for many years through the 80s and the 90s and even into the 90s.
GAA is a community-based game, so therefore it's up to us as a club to welcome every member of our community.
This place has been a sanctuary for thousands of kids over 100 years. Our job and our role is to give them a sense of improvement in their lives.